combination of everything. Now, primarily, when we are, I will start from the scratch bits and pieces of pronoun, then I will quickly discuss the questions. Okay? Now, when we talk about pronoun is actually pro plus noun. That is provisional. Noun is name of universal notation. So today I will discuss the part one of pronoun and some questions. And tomorrow, Thursday evening around this time, or a little bit earlier, I will discuss the another part of pronoun. That is pronoun part two. If needed, we'll take pronoun part three. Saturday, at some point of time from 12:30 to 1:15 or 1:30, I will discuss your doubts, which some of you have started giving speed test. Shrimoy, Auditro, Shayoni, you won't have to appear in speed test now. You do the class for a month or so, then you can start preparing. Okay? Because understand a bit of concept, then you can prepare. Slowly, I will tell you which speed test to go, or else I will give you the examinations also. দিয়াও এক্সাম দেওয়া স্টার্ট করো আস্তে আস্তে, ঠিক আছে? তো ফর্ম ভরেছো তুমি। ওকে, নাও
স্যার
প্রাইমারিলি
আমি
when we talk
ব্যাংকার
about
সাবজেক্টে
pronoun,
দিচ্ছিলাম, আমার ইংলিশটাতে 8-9ই আসছে।
test book you can give it, and you can share with me doubts on Saturday when I will take the class. Whatever doubts which comes to your mind, you can discuss with me. Okay, I will keep a extra doubt clarification session. Fair enough, Shubhiman?
ওকে স্যার।
হ্যালো স্যার, বলছেন যে স্যার ডেসপাইট ইনস্পাইট এর মধ্যে স্যার ডিফারেন্সটা কি হয় স্যার?
I will discuss despite and in spite of. What is the difference? I will discuss.
However স্যার, ওকে স্যার।
However is a different issue altogether. However is basically a connector, okay, or a conjunction. In fact, despite and in spite of, since you asked, I will discuss it. But give me some time, I will discuss it within today's session. Fair enough, Indranu. However, despite of, in spite, moreover, actually these are part of conjunction, not exactly pronoun. But since you have asked, I will definitely discuss it today's session. Okay?
ওকে স্যার, নো ইস্যু স্যার।
Okay, a pronoun is a part of a speech which is used in replacement of a noun and is used in the same genre, context, and reference. Now, I'm discussing from the scratch. It might happen for some students that we are repeating the same concept, but you can expect in the coming days, in the coming examinations, there might be 2-3 questions from pronouns and then subject verb agreement, which is the backbone of modern English grammar. So we सर्वनाम कहते हैं जिसको संज्ञा के परिवर्तन में यूज किया जाता है. Now, without coming to the types of pronoun, I am again showing you this chart which is visible on your screen. That is subjective case, objective case, and possessive case. Now, this part is important from the perspective of understanding. Subjective case, when we talk about, these are the names of the subject. जैसे मैंने पिछले क्लास में इसको समझाया था, और मेरे ख्याल से किसी को इसमें कंफ्यूजन है भी नहीं. अगर है कंफ्यूजन तो यू कैन आस्क मी at any point of time. Like when we talk about persons, जब हम subject की बात करते हैं, first person is I, singular, plural যখন আমরা বলি we. Second person is you, third is he, she, it, and they. And when we talk about object, the one to whom the action is being done, that is instead of I, we are checking me, we, it is us, you, and same. I think this part is self-explanatory and all of you have understood also. So I'm not again discussing it. We have discussed in the noun class. This concept is clear to everyone. Now, this table which I have kept it on screen. If it's clear, you may write yes or Y in the chat window. If you have doubt, you can ask. Anubrati, Gaurav. Dilangshu. If some of you are writing, there is no problem. Fair enough. Okay, now if we talk about the next part, in that case, types of pronoun. Primarily, these are the types of pronouns which you can see in the examination. Number one, it is personal pronoun, right? There are around 11 to 12 kinds of pronoun when we talk about. My voice is audible to everyone, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
There are 11 types of pronoun: personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, distributive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, emphatic pronoun. But again, we will discuss slowly and we'll discuss the concepts. When I talk about Nilangshu, Rajot, when I talk about personal, what is basically personal pronoun? Like I, you, we, he, she, it, they. যেটাকে আমরা সাবজেক্ট বলছি সেটাকেই আমরা পার্সোনাল প্রোনাউন বলছি. The same thing we are talking about. Next is reflexive pronoun. ये वाला पार्ट सही में काफी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. मेरे ख्याल से सुमन, अनुप्रीति और पोन आप लोगों को याद होगा रिफ्लेक्शन की बात जब हम कहते हैं वी टॉक अबाउट मिरर इमेज ऑफ एनी पर्टिकुलर थिंग, ठीक है। जैसे आई चेंजेस टू माई सेल्फ, यू टू योर सेल्फ, ही हिमसेल्फ, वी आवर सेल्फ, शी हर सेल्फ, इट इटसेल्फ, दे देमसेल्व्स, ठीक है। लेकिन another important part जो हम कहते हैं certain verbs like let's say enjoy, abstain, refrain, absent, avail, resign, apply, revenge, they always take reflexive case of pronoun. What does this basically mean? क्या मतलब है इसका? Can any one of you explain? Anuprati, Vipu, Siddhant, any basic idea you're getting? What does reflexive case of pronoun mean? That is the mirror image of anything. Anyone can explain what is reflexive case? Have you understood? If you have understood, try to speak out. Siddhant, Shomudeep,
রিফ্লেক্সিভ বলতে মানে যে যখন মানে কোনো পার্সন মানে আমাকেই যদি মানে রিফ্লেক্ট করে বেশি এমফাসাইজ করে যদি মানে
sometimes
এক্সপ্লেন
some,
হয়
sometimes we use it for emphasizing. That is absolutely okay. When we use in this case, basically we talk about this as emphasizing, but সব সময় যে emphasize হয়, that is not the case. Sometimes it can also be without emphasizing. My point is, we primarily use the reflexive case of pronoun with certain verbs. The reflexive case,
Sir.
যখন আমরা কথা yes, Ria, go ahead.
স্যার বলছি যে রিফ্লেক্সিভ প্রোনাউন তখন আমরা ইউজ করি যখন আমরা কাজ মানে নিজে করি বা নিজের সাথে করি, মানে যেমন আই এনজয় দ্য মুভি মাই সেলফ, মানে এরকম ব্যাপারটার ক্ষেত্রে তখন আমরা রিফ্লেক্সিভ প্রোনাউন ইউজ করি।
Yes, the one who is doing the action, the one who is actually doing the action, he is responsible for doing that particular course of action.
Yes, sir.
In that case,
হ্যাঁ স্যার বলুন। হ্যালো
Sir, you are not audible.
হ্যালো স্যার, শোনা যাচ্ছে না। হ্যালো
Sir, you are mute.
we should use reflexive case mandatorily. हम कौन सी
স্যার মাঝখানে কি
particular
বলেছেন শুনতে
incidents
পারিনি।
पे Suman, she is my voice breaking or can you all hear me?
Sir, breaking.
Hello.
Sir.
No sir, your voice is breaking.
Now
Now it's clear, sir.
Okay. So certain particular words will always take the reflexive case of pronoun only. কিছু এমন শব্দ আছে which will only take reflexive case. It won't take anything else. Like enjoy, abstain, refrain. No, there are two words, abstain and refrain. Can any one of you tell me what are the basic differences between abstain and refrain? I've discussed in the class long back, but still I'm asking it again. Shomudeep, any idea where can we use abstain and where can we use
স্যার অ্যাবস্টেন বলতে যদি মানে কোনো একটা কাজ থেকে মানে সেটাকে অ্যাভয়েড করে সেটাতে মানে প্রসিড না করাকেই
answer
বলে
the same in
abstain.
English?
Sir,
Answer
abstain
the
means
same.
sir খুব
Shomudeep,
disturbing
your voice
হচ্ছে।
is mute your mic. Yes, Gaurav, go ahead.
Sir, abstain means to means sir নিচে থেকে স্যার নেগেটিভ কিছু
Gaurav,
খারাপ
answer in English only.
Okay. Abstain means keeping myself away from some negative things or some bad things, and I think refrain is from just keeping or keeping or avoiding myself from doing any such kind of activity. Like I can refrain myself from going outside during this pandemic, but I can abstain from.
Shomudeep, can you kindly use microphone? That is why it is disturbing. Shomudeep, please use the microphone. Yes.
Refrain means I can refrain myself from going outside in this pandemic time, and in abstain I can say I can abstain myself from smoking or drinking alcohol.
Okay. See, I'm explaining what he has tried to explain. Basically, whenever we talk about the word abstain, we talk about something which is derogatory, which is detrimental and which is negative. जब भी कोई नकारात्मक वस्तु की बात करते हैं, যখনই আমরা কোনো নেগেটিভ অ্যাক্টিভিটিস এর কথা বলি, we normally should use the word abstain. I think Ritu, you were also trying to explain the same. এটাই বোঝানোর
Yes,
চেষ্টা
sir.
করছিলে, তাই তো?
Yes.
আচ্ছা, so not only one should abstain from smoking, drinking and gambling, or one should abstain oneself. এবার যেহেতু আমরা abstain wordটা ইউজ করছি, আচ্ছা, why am I writing in the chat? It's better to write in the screen. Let's say I'm writing like this: one should refrain. The example which Gaurav gave, one should refrain oneself. এবার one এর জন্য আমরা oneself ইউজ করব, I এর জন্য obviously myself ইউজ করব. With we will use ourselves. With he, we will use himself. ठीक है? So one should refrain oneself from going out in the public or going out in the streets unnecessarily during lockdown. Shomadip, I think you're trying to say something, but please use the microphone, else there will be echoing issue. রিয়া বুঝতে পেরেছো? অরিত্র?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, বুঝতে পেরেছি।
So one should refrain oneself. But if I talk about, যদি আমি abstain এর কথা example বলি, perfect example is one should or he should abstain himself. He should abstain himself from stealing things. Let's say he's a kleptomaniac. You know what is kleptomaniac? One who is a compulsive stealer. মানে ও চায় না, but still he end up stealing certain object or certain activities. There we use it. Rajat, clear? So there we use abstain and refrain.
हाँ सर।
दोनों का मतलब है किसी चीज से दूर रहना, কোনো জিনিস থেকে বিরত থাকা, but to stay away from something. We actually use the word abstain and we use the word refrain. Okay. Now, there are other words also like enjoy, exert. We generally take a reflexive case of pronoun, like see the examples. If I, let's say, if we talk about the example like that, for example, if I say Arpita absented from the office during pandemic, okay, while her sister did not do so. Okay, this is an exception. We'll talk about exception later on. Let's talk about normal examples. যেমনি রিয়া বলার চেষ্টা করছিল, when the one who is doing the action and he is the one who is responsible for that, he himself is responsible for his tragedy, she absented herself from the office. ठीक है? Or if I say I availed myself an opportunity of going to US. So when I talk about this kind of examples, primarily we use a reflexive case. आशा करी तुमने रिफ्लेक्सिव केस की बुझते पेरेछो, मेरे ख्याल से सबको समझ में आ गया होगा। सेल्फ का एग्जांपल देते हैं। क्लियर देवलीना, इंद्रनील और
डिफरेंस क्या हुआ देन? रिफ्रेन और अब्सटेन का क्या डिफरेंस हुआ?
एब्सटेन मतलब जब भी कोई ऐसी व्यक्ति ऐसा कोई कार्य की बात करते हैं, समथिंग विच इज डेरोगेटरी और डेट्रीमेंटल, समथिंग विच इज डेरोगेटरी और डेट्रीमेंटल, ऐसा कोई एक्टिविटीज, समथिंग विच इज हार्मफुल, if you should not do, we use the word abstain. But refrain for a neutral activities. He refrained herself from eating ice cream, or he refrained himself from watching television. So even if we talk about
sir, less negative और more negative की बात हो रही है।
हाँ, dangerous या poisonous या derogatory कुछ भी होता है, then we talk about the word abstain. But if we talk about lesser negative, we should use the word abstain. ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। रिफ्लेक्सिव केस कौन से वर्ड्स के साथ यूज करते हैं, आई विल शेयर दिस पीडीएफ आल्सो विथ यू। नॉर्मली हमें याद रखना है 7-8 वर्ड है, उसमें से जो वर्ड्स एग्जाम में आते हैं उसी को ज्यादा ध्यान देने की जरूरत भी है। এবার কোন শব্দতে আমরা বেশি attention দেব, those are revenge, enjoy, the words which are highlighted. revenge इतना एग्जाम में आता है बट हमेशा नहीं आता है। enjoy থাকে क्वेश्चन में, abstain থাকে, refrain থাকে, avail, resign. For example, if I say she resigned herself from the organization. ठीक है? If you talk about this kind of example, we will talk about self, right? That is what we are primarily talking about in that case.
স্যার
Now
প্রাইডের
moving
সাথে
ahead,
ইউজ হয়?
pride এর সাথে I take pride in my, if I talk about my particular activities, if I take pride in my teaching skills, I would not say, Ria, always that I take myself pride in my teaching skills. সবসময় যে ইউজ করতে পারি, not necessary. You must have seen in some examples, Ria, it is being used, but সবসময় এটা ইউজ হয় না.
আচ্ছা,
Not in every case we use it. Okay. So I think till this part it is clear. Nilangshu, Shayoni, Oritro, Shrimoy, Shomudeep.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
But, okay, but there are certain exceptions. That is what which comes in the examination. Normally, when we talk about only one particular kind of pronoun, when we are talking about one particular subject who is doing the action, we talk about reflexive case of pronoun. But if there is a special exception, when there are two pronouns or two nouns mentioned, we can avoid it using. Jinishta ki, let's make you understand in a nice manner. If I say an example, Arpita absented from the office during pandemic while her sister did not do so. ঠিক है, মানেটা কি দাঁড়াচ্ছে রিশা, ঋতু? So there are two subjects, Rajat, here. One is Arpita, another is her sister. Yes or no? हाँ कि ना? यहाँ पे हम दो सब्जेक्ट की बात कर रहे हैं. So first subject की अगर बात करें, there we are not using the reflexive case. তোমরা বলতে পারো স্যার এতক্ষণ তো আপনারা বললেন that we are doing a reflexive, we are using a reflexive case of pronoun whenever I'm using the word absent, whenever I'm using the word refrain, whenever I'm using the word resign. In every such case we are using it. But there are two subjects. Now I'm highlighting it also so that you understand. Arpita is one such subject and her sister is another such subject. ঠিক আছে? So since there are two subjects and there are illustrations of two subjects, so we are using reflexive case only once. Shubhimal, Gaurav, we are using only once. We are not using it two times. So that is what I am trying to make you understand. Now this kind of question, normally it doesn't come every time, but sometimes it can come. Similarly, if I say Akash arranged himself the party for all of us, I will give you a very classic example which has come in the examination so many times. For example, this particular sentence which is highlighted on your screen right now, all of you can try to attempt. He was enjoying while his relatives were not interested in the party. And the last part is of course no error. So tell me what could be the answer of this question.
He was enjoying by himself. No error, sir. No error.
Baki log, yes, I got two answers.
Because
Shrimoy
sir, दो subject है.
No error.
Yes, here also there are two subjects. है ना? Here also we talk about that there are two subjects in this particular sentence. So as because there are two subjects in this sentence, we'll say he was enjoying while his relatives were not interested in the party. So this is no error. बोलो बात समझ में आई, हाँ कि ना? किसी प्रकार का कोई संदेह है मन में? Shimoy,
হ্যালো,
you are correct. Yes, Rojo, go ahead.
তার মানে স্যার দুটো সাবজেক্ট থাকলে তখন আর রিফ্লেক্সিভ প্রোনাউন আসবে না, তাই তো?
Both the subjects should be. There are two subjects on most occasions.
Sir, শোনা গেল না.
শোনা গেল না স্যার।
On most of the cases, when there are two subjects, we normally do not use a reflexive case. बोलते पारो रोजो. Absolutely, you can say. When there are two subjects, most of the cases we use a reflexive case of pronoun. Absolutely. चलो. आगे
So this rule is very important. क्योंकि एग्जामिनेशन में ऐसे क्वेश्चंस रहता है. ये रूल है.
मेंस में रहता है, पीली में भी रहने के चांसेस है, हमेशा नहीं रहता, कभी-कभी रह सकता है. You are correct.
प्री में रहता है सर.
স্যার এই রুলটা আরো একটা দুটো एग्जांपल দেবেন?
Simple example. Let's say I will give a very practical example in that case. United States have availed an opportunity of using their medical science for vaccinating teenager. They have started for 12 to 16 also. United States have availed an opportunity of using their medical science facilities for vaccinating their teenager, while UK haven't started yet. I'm not too sure whether UK has started, but just taking an arbitrary example. Okay. So if I would have used only United States, then I would have used United States have availed an opportunity herself. Obviously, it's the name of a country. যেহেতু আমরা দেশের নাম কথা বলছি, we will talk about herself as an example.
हाँ
ठीक
गुड
है?
इवनिंग भाऊ क्या
But
खबर
when we talk about the other countries name, I'm not using it. I'm giving another easy example. Let's say
नहीं कुछ साल से चिल आउट ही चल रहा
he
था
was,
का पास आउट हूँ बीकॉम का तो अब बचपन से क्या है मतलब लाइक मेरे पेरेंट्स तो एडुकेटेड नहीं थे
let's say enjoy, we have taken an example. Avail, we have taken an example. Reveal, okay, let's say take an example of resign.
लेकिन मुझे
ठीक है?
वही था कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं मतलब
If we talk about an
मेरे
example,
जैसे
let's say
कॉमर्स ले लो सीए कर लो ये कर लो
Mahesh
तो उस समय तो इतना फोर्स से रहता नहीं है ना
resigned from the organization
आइडिया रहता नहीं when you are from a small town you don't know how things work properly
while his brother continued to serve the same. While his brother continued to serve the same. মানে কি দাঁড়াচ্ছে? মহেশ অর্গানাইজেশনে চাকরি ছেড়ে দিয়েছে, he has resigned from the organization. So in the previous example you must have seen I have used the word resigned herself or resigned itself. ঠিক আছে? But here I am not using the same. Primarily Mahesh has resigned from the organization while his brother is still continuing to serve the same. বোঝা গেল? সায়নী, সৌমদীপ, টিয়া, ইন্দ্রনীল, অরিত্র. So basically he has resigned from the organization while his brother is still continuing to serve the same. So when we use in this kind of example, we primarily can use or we can avoid reflexive case of. Is this clear till this?
हेलो हेलो हाँ नेट चल रही थी नहीं अच्छा
क्योंकि अगर किसी क्लाइंट के पास अपने आप को सेल आउट कर रहे हो तो क्लाइंट आपसे पूछेगा कि पहले का काम दिखाओ करेक्ट
हाँ करेक्ट
हाँ तो वो काम आपके पास अभी रहेगा नहीं क्योंकि आप अभी स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो उस टाइम पे आपको क्या करना
Are you there in the class?
वैल्यू डाउन टॉप करनी पड़ेगी
ইয়েস স্যার আছে স্যার
হ্যাঁ বলো কোন জায়গাটা ইস্যু আছে?
স্যার রিফ্লেক্সিভ পার্টটা কি না তখন বললেন স্যার ওই পার্টটা স্যার সরে গেছিলাম বুঝতে পারলাম না
Reflexive case is basically the mirror image of a person. যেটা সেই ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালটা করছে সেটারই রিফ্লেকশন. Primarily certain verbs like enjoy, refrain, which is there in this PDF as you can see, which is highlighted: enjoy, refrain, absent, avail, resign, apply, enjoy. Primarily এগুলোই আসে পরীক্ষায়. We use a reflexive case of pronoun when there is only one subject.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको
And there is one more exception, Indranil, if there are two subjects, if there are references of two subjects, in that case, we use reflexive case
स्कॉलरशिप एग्जाम होगा
only with first subject, or else we can avoid the reflexive case. Primarily in the exam only one subject comes, दोनों subject आता नहीं है, अगर दोनों subject आ भी जाए तब हम लोग reflexive case ना use करें तो बेहतर है, क्योंकि फिर वो एक ही subject पे focus नहीं है. কেন কি দুটো subject আমরা focus করছি, as because we are focusing on both the subjects, there is no requirement of using the reflexive case of.
ठीक है एंड उनका एक
Fair enough.
means है
I think it makes sense to all of you.
उसी के अंदर शायद सब लिंक में होगा होगा।
So
वीक
आगे
वीक
बढ़ते
वाइज
demonstrative
वर्ड
pronoun. I
मीनिंग
will
बताएंगे
discuss two,
इसको
three more
ऐसे
types of
ऐसे
pronoun. Then I will go to the question
ऐसे
part.
तो वो बहुत सारा चीज को ऊपर से
Now,
कर रहे हैं।
before going to the
आज
relative
मैंने
pronoun,
सुना
let us
मैंने
discuss demonstrative pronoun.
मैंने सुना
Now, when we
कि
talk
एक
about
पर्टिकुलर
demonstrative
डोमेन को
case
जिसमें
of
लोग
pronoun,
उसमें एक्सपर्टीज नहीं है
demonstrative case of pronoun is nothing but no rocket science, guys.
वो
It
सब
is
कुछ
just
थोड़ा थोड़ा बताएंगे।
examples.
तो मेरे फ्लैट में
जब भी हम कोई
1 2
उदाहरण
फ्रेंड्स
देते
ज्वाइन
हैं,
कर रहे
जब भी
हैं
हम कोई
क्लासरूम में
एग्जाम्पल
हमारे
देने
ही
की
रहेगा।
बात करते हैं,
ठीक है फिर एक
वहीं पे हम
टीचर
लोग
ज्वाइन करेंगे
डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव
तो
केस
साथ
ऑफ
में 2
प्रोनाउन
जन
यूज
ज्वाइन करेंगे
करते
तो
हैं.
एक वो भी रहेगा
Shomodev,
डेडिकेशन एंड
you have
लर्निंग
written
रहेगा
in the
कि जो
chat. I think you can
फ्रेंड्स
hear
साथ
me
में
and you can
बैठे हैं
understand. Just
बारह
write
एक
in the
बजे
chat
तक
if
पढ़
there
के
is an
एग्जाम
issue
देंगे
with the network.
उसके
No
साथ
problem.
वैसे
You can still
जुड़े
write
रहेंगे
in the
एग्जाम
chat.
के लिए
I
कि
am
एसटीएमएल अगर
able to see
एग्जाम
your
में जा रहे
chats.
हैं तो मैं एसटीएमएल को बाकी टाइम पेन के वही करूँ। ठीक है
Okay. Now,
वो
demonstrative
एक
case of pronoun
अपना
is
एक
basically
रियलाइजेशन
the
हो जाता है कि कौन
examples.
सा मेरे को ज्यादा मजा आ रहा है एचटीएमएल में आ रहा है
Okay,
सीएसएस में आ
okay,
रहा है
okay.
जेएसएस में आ रहा है
So,
या
no problem. I will share the
बैकएंड में आ रहा
recordings.
है फ्रंट
So,
एंड में
when
आ
we
रहा
talk about
है
the
जिसमें इंटरेस्ट आ
examples,
रहा है
now
देन आई गो
singular
एंड
and
गेट द
plural.
एक्सपर्टीज।
Singular is probably we call it as this oblique that, and when we talk about plural, we call it these oblique those. Just a basic concept, no rocket science in that case. लेकिन आगे वाला जो कॉन्সেप्ट है इसमें काफी चीज हमें समझने की जरूरत है. এই পার্টটা খুব ভালো করে সবাই বুঝবার চেষ্টা করবে. তিশার, নীলাংশু, সায়নী, সুমন, Sagarika, let's understand this in a very deeper concept that is relative pronoun. Then we will be discussing the question after that. Siddharth, I will make you co-host. You can share it from the Google Classroom, I guess, right? Not now. After we are done with relative pronoun. Fair enough. Siddharth, are you there? He's having a network issue. Okay. Now, relative pronoun. What is relative pronoun? किससे कहते हैं relative pronoun? जैसे हम लोगों को whenever we talk about relative means a relation, है ना? কোনো ধরনের সম্বন্ধ আছে বা কোনো ধরনের connection আছে. So whenever we talk about certain pronouns which relates a clause or a phrase. Clause or phrase का क्या मतलब है? What is clause or phrase? Any idea? Which kind of sentence we call it as a clause or a phrase?
একটা ফ্রেজ কটা মিনিংফুল ওয়ার্ড দিয়ে তৈরি হয়, মানে যেখানে কোনো ভার্ব কিংবা সাবজেক্ট থাকে না, বাট স্টিল একটা মিনিংকে মানে ডিপিক্ট করে। আর ক্লজ,
Still একটা meaning কে depict করে. Correct.
আর
Absolutely.
ক্লজ হচ্ছে বিভিন্ন রকমের হতে পারে, মানে ওটা সেন্টেন্স, প্রপার সেন্টেন্স, যেখানে সাবজেক্ট থাকবে, ভার্ব থাকবে, সেন্টেন্স অনুযায়ী লিঙ্কার থাকতে পারে, মানে মোর দ্যান ওয়ান ভার্ব, মোর দ্যান ওয়ান সাবজেক্ট থাকতে পারে। তো দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড ক্লজ।
Absolutely, absolutely. So primarily a clause is basically a part of a sentence which may convey a sense, which may not convey a sense. Primarily clause is some part of a sentence which may convey a sense, which may not convey a sentence, but primarily it has a verb like Ria correctly told. The relative pronoun এর basic থেকে আমরা দেখি. Relative pronoun এর পাঁচটা example যেটা পরীক্ষায় আসে
স্যার
and something
ক্লজে ভার্ব থাকে বললেন?
থাকতেও পারে নাও থাকতে পারে, but phrase এ normally verb থাকে. Clause may have a verb, may not have a verb, but it should be meaningful. Any part of a sentence we can call it clause. Bookish definition
ক্লজটা
says
মিনিংফুল হয়?
phrase টা meaningful হয়. Clause
না
may be meaningful, may not be meaningful.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
Acha. If you talk, some of you are having probably network issue. Okay. Now, primarily there are five examples of clauses. Sorry, five examples of relative pronouns. That is who, whose, whom, that or which. Who use करते हैं हम कर्ता के लिए, subject. बांग्लाते আমরা তাই বলি, something with whom do the in action, we call it who, right? So basically when we talk about a subjective case, we use the case who. When we talk about objective case, the one to whom the action is being done. Gaurav, in that case, Gaurav, can you hear me? Hello.
হ্যাঁ স্যার শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
In that case, I will be sharing. I will be making you co-host. তুমি ক্লাসরুম থেকে কোশ্চেনটা শেয়ার করো once we are done with the theory. ঠিক আছে? So that theory and question we can interrelate. বুঝতে পারছো? Ready হয়ে রাখো. It will take. I will take another 5-10 minutes. No problem. To discuss the theory part first. So when we talk about who, for example, the boy who sang the song is my brother's best friend. वो लड़का जो गाना गाया था वो मेरे दोस्त का विशिष्ट विशिष्ट दोस्त है. He is my best friend. Similarly, যেই ছেলেটি গান করেছিল, the one to whom the action is being done, that is primarily we talk about subject. So देखो इसको मैंने काफी अच्छी तरीके से समझाने की कोशिश की है, आप लोग देख पाओगे, इजीली समझ जाओगे. दिस इज सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी ऑल्सो. Who is a relative pronoun. Sang the song is a relative clause and the boy is antecedent. Antecedent means ANT. anti का मतलब होता है जो बाद में होता है, যেটা পরবর্তীকালে হবে, something which will happen on a later part, we call it anti. Fine, Paritro, Nilangshu. So
Yes,
the
sir.
boy who sang the song is my brother's best friend. So basically the boy is my
অ্যান্টিসিডেন্টটা
brother.
কি বললেন একবার বলবেন?
Antecedent হচ্ছে সুবিমল যেটা পরবর্তীকালে হচ্ছে, something which is happening on a later stage. There are two words. One is ANTI, anti means opposite, and ANT, anti. So ANT, anti means something which happens earlier, anterior. Here in this case something which happens earlier. So let me correlate. The boy is an antecedent. Why? Because it is happening earlier, but it has a connection with the later clause, that is brother's best friend. So the part which is highlighted in yellow and the part which is highlighted in green, they are interconnected. समझ में आया? थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है बट कंसेप्चुअली समझने की कोशिश करो. द बॉय इज इन द अर्लियर पार्ट. Shayani, Tanvita. Tanvita, your presentation is done.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Sir, sir, sometime also we mentioned this like we just put one comma and then we means remove this who.
Yes. We can do, Gaurav. That also we do. We just put a comma and we remove the who. The boy, comma, sang the song is my brother's best friend. Correct.
Yeah.
Many a times we do that. You are absolutely correct. We do that. So the boy who sang the song is my brother's best friend. Can be we use it like that. Absolutely correct. So similarly, let's take one more example of who we have discussed. Let's talk about which. The girl, let's first talk about whom. Who, whom, which, whose. Like this we will proceed. Whom when we talk about, जिस पर काम किया जा रहा है. The girl whom we visited is our sister. Or this is the boy whom we highly talk of. When we refer directly to the object of the sentence, वैसे questions जब बताएंगे हम तो और ज़्यादा clear हो जाएगा. Whenever we are referring to any objective case, primarily the boy, comma, sang the song is yes, Shomudi. The boy, comma, sang the song is my best friend. We can say use that, Shomudi. So the girl whom we visited is her sister. तो वो लड़की जिसको कल मैं मिला वो उनकी बहन है ना? सो अगर इस तरीके से हम यूज करें ऋषि, सुमन, तो उस केस में होम का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं. সেই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা হোমের ইউজ করি. ঠিক है? So primarily objective case and subjective case. I can vouch on it. I can assure you that you are not understanding now. But when I will correlate with the question who and whom will be more understandable. So as of now, don't worry. Just remember who is used for a subjective case, whom is used for objective case. Just remember that. Is this part clear? Who and whom? Shobhimol, Aritro, Orpon?
Sir, in the second sentence, here what is happening, like the girl is in objective part and we are in the subjective part.
Yes.
That's why.
Yes, absolutely. Disha, যখন আমরা সাবজেক্টিভ কেসকে বেশি হাইলাইট করছি সেই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা হু ইউজ করছি. Like when I have used this, the boy who sang the song. So the highlight part is the boy, right? And very excellently, which Gaurav also said, this is the girl or the girl whom we visited. The girl এখানে objective case. As because we had used in an objective case, we are using. Correct. So that is why
visited, because the girl is visited, মানে গার্লকে ভিজিট করা হয়েছে, তো গার্ল ইজ
because
the second sentence টা স্যার মানে সাবজেক্টিভ হচ্ছে, আমরা উইটা হচ্ছে আমরা সাবজেক্ট, তাই তো?
Absolutely. वीटा হচ্ছে সাবজেক্ট and लड़की को विजिट किया गया था, মেয়েটাকে visit করেছিলাম আমরা, তাই তো? The girl was visited, which Ria was trying to say. So that is an objective. And her sister is invalid. So that is why main confusion in the exam happens between who and who. Whose is very easy. Whose is just a possessive case. Possession দু ধরনের হয়. I know some of you know it, but still I'm repeating it 7-8 times. The reason is इससे error correction question रहता ही है. On 20, today's 18th, so 1920, yeah, on Sunday I will take a class of rearrangement. Probably next Tuesday, 25th, I will take a error correction test on 50 questions. ठीक है? So you will see there are multiple questions based on pronouncing subject verb agreement based on that. That is why I'm repeating this concept time and again. Whose jar যেটাকে বাংলায় র বলা হয়, हिंदी में जिसको पोजीशन कहते हैं, इंग्लिश में भी पोजीशन ही कहते हैं, है ना? ऋषि समझ में आ रहा है ना?
है
नहीं,
सर।
मैंने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है। मैं सीबीएसई बैकग्राउंड
ऋषि?
से था, तो मेरा C++ जावा भी नहीं था स्कूल में।
I think he is having
Yes,
network
sir.
issue. So when we talk about
Yes.
okay, thank you. When we talk about living things and non-living things, non-living things बोलेंगे तो association या relationship बोलेंगे, non-living things, sorry, living things बोलेंगे तो we'll talk about association or relationship, संबंध की बात करेंगे. And when we talk about non-living things, we'll talk about ownership or belongingness. There is a strong connection. So taking this into consideration, understand the examples which is right now on your screen. Take your time in understanding, nothing to hurry up. जल्द हड़बड़ी में गड़बड़ी हो जाते इस चीज को आसान से, इसीलिए एक दिन में प्रोनाउन खत्म नहीं करना चाहता. We will take at least 3 different classes for pronouns. Gaurav, you can share the screen right now, or within 2-3 minutes, right?
Yeah, okay.
Just open the Google Classroom. I'm making you co-host. No need to share it right now. When I will tell, please share it. এই পার্টটা সবাই বুঝতে পেরেছো? টেক ইউর টাইম. ইন্দ্রনীল, নীলাংশু, রজত,
में तो फेक वेबसाइट
রিচিকা,
बनाते हैं, मतलब जो एड्रेस
রিশা.
वेबसाइट है वो अलग
I
दिखाएगा।
think it's clear, right?
2 নম্বরটা কি বলছো? Which 2 নম্বর?
That and which, Ria, I have not discussed. Whose and whom টা দেখো, which আমি এখনো যাইনি. That and which I have not discussed. Whose-টাই বোঝো হবে. That and which I will discuss in a short while. Clear? Nilangshu, Tanvita, I'm sure you're able to catch up. We haven't discussed much. Don't worry. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the boy whose car was stolen yesterday is standing outside. वो लड़का जिसकी गाड़ी कल चोरी हो गई थी वो बाहर खड़ा है. The man whose house was sold yesterday died today. I mean, थोड़ा tragic example है, but सही है. वो आदमी जिसका घर कल बेच दिया गया था वो आज वीर गति को प्राप्त कर गया. सुमन, वीर गति को प्राप्त करना और मृत्यु में क्या अंतर है? सुमन, ऋचिका, ऋषि.
क्या सर, क्या बोले?
वीर गति को प्राप्त करना और मृत्यु में क्या अंतर है?
सर वीर गति जनरली वो डिफेंस पर्सन के लिए होता है जो शहीद हो जाते हैं वैसा, और ऐसे तो जो
sacrifices his life for his country or anyone, especially
Very
for
good,
his country, then
Whenever a
martyr is used. And
Like-
whenever
हाँ, continue, Ria, continue.
no sir, না ঠিক আছে, আপনি তো বলতে বলছি স্যার, আমার একটা কোশ্চেন আছে একটু, এই একটা বিষয় মানে একটু আলাদা বিষয় কিন্তু এই প্রোনাউনের মধ্যেই পড়ে, আমি কি করব?
Go ahead, please.
পজেসিভ প্রোনাউন আর পজেসিভ অ্যাডজেক্টিভের মধ্যে একটু সমস্যা হয় মাঝে মাঝে আমার, এরর কারেকশন আসে, তো ওটা যদি একটু বলে দিতেন, কারণ এখানে আপনি পজেসিভ নিয়ে কথা বলছেন।
Absolutely. But first, my doubt question, which I said, whenever a person sacrifices his life for the sake of the country, for the sake of the motherland, or for the sake of the society at large, we use martyred, जिसको हिंदी में वीरगति बोला जाता है, बांग्लायो शहीद बोला है. And when we talk about when a person died for any reason, we call it death. Acha. Possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. See this chart, Ria. It will be more clear. Shobhadeep, are you trying to say something? Okay. He's facing network. Shobhadeep, you can write in the chat. If you can, I will be able to. Acha. Now, yes, no, you are not audible, Shobhadeep. There is some network glitch. Possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. এই চারটা দেখে কি বুঝতে পারছো রিয়া? This is my car. This is a possessive adjective. विशेषण जो कि संज्ञा को क्वालिफाई करे, राइट? तो सर्वनाम जो संज्ञा के परिवर्तन में बैठता है, सर्वनाम যেটা নাউনের এগেইনস্টে আমরা বসাই. This is my car. This car is mine. This is our house. This house is ours. This is her cell phone. This cell phone is hers. দেখো एग्जांपल গুলো উপরে দেওয়া আছে. So when we talk about this kind of examples, yeah, adjective is something which is qualifying the noun. So we normally use adjective before the noun. ठीक है? pronoun is something which we use in replacement of a noun. Somadev, you're trying to say something, so just log out and re-log in. I think network
तो
should come
मुझे
back.
कैसे
My
use
voice is
करना
nice
है
and clear to
अपना
everyone. There is no
resources
lagging,
बताओ।
right? সবাই পরিষ্কার শুনতে পাচ্ছ, তাই তো?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, is that clear? Yeah, বুঝতে পেরেছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Adjective used before noun, pronoun used in place of noun. My
Sir?
humble submission and suggestion to all of you, do not try to memorize rules. Rules are very
sorry.
boring and monotonous. If you try to memorize, you will forget. Understand it with implication.
Sir, sorry to cut in, but can you please repeat this part?
Yes, adjective, we all know from since childhood we have studied. Adjective is used for qualifying or describing the noun. If I say Gaurav is a very nice man, now nice is what? Adjective. Man is what? Noun. So nice I'm using before man. Isn't it, Gaurav?
Yes.
I mean, you are a nice man, that is true. And nice is also an adjective, that is true. Right, Gaurav?
Yeah.
But if I say, this phone is Gaurav's or this is his phone. Now his I'm using instead of Gaurav. So that is a pronoun. Just a simple example. Now Gaurav is a nice man. इसको pronoun में change करना difficult होगा. इसको मुझे बोलना होगा he is a nice man. But if I say this is Gaurav's car, ठीक है? So this car is Gaurav's. So that Gaurav's is pronoun. But ये noun है तो Gaurav's की जगह मैं his लिखूंगा. It is his property. His is pronoun.
नहीं 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 मैं
So that is what we use it like this.
मैं ओवर
Clear?
करता था लेकिन आज तक वो क्रेडिट कार्ड
Okay.
वाला बुकिंग नहीं
So I think rules at a stretch becomes monotonous. So कुछ questions discuss करते, then we will start with that oblique which. Because that oblique which will take at least 20 minutes for me to discuss. काफी details में. এতটা কারো কোনো confusion. অরিত্র, সায়নী, সুবিমল, রজত, রিয়া, ঋতু, রিচিকা, সুমন, অর্পণের তো করা ছিল, but still it's a recap. It's good. No confusion,
Yes, sir.
Rajat? Okay. Gaurav, please share the screen from the Google Classroom. We will discuss the first 10 to 15 questions based on pronouns. Let us start with the basic question.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have downloaded the files also. Can I share it from there?
Yes, yes. As a, whichever is convenient. I have acha, the PDF which I have shared with you this evening. This is a very basic question. ठीक है? Devolina. Let's start with it. I have shared already 160 questions only on pronouns. So solve it. Anyway, you would be able to solve most of the questions.
Sir, can you see my screen?
No, not this one. Not this one, Gaurav. Not this one. Concept of pronoun. Something. Not this one as well. Go to the classroom. Not this one as well. Yeah, this one. Thank you. Thank you. This is the one. Full screen, Gaurav. Magnify it. Okay, all of you can see the screen now. Yes or no? So, not everyone has solved the question. Shush. I'm giving you exactly. Should I give you some time to solve it? कितने लोग का हो चुका है? अनुप्रति, अरित्रो, और देवलीना, इंद्रनील, सोमदीप, शुभिनोद, सुमन.
इसीलिए मैं पूछ रहा था कि अल्टरनेटिव रिसोर्सेज भी रहेगा तो आई कैन स्विच
প্রথম তিন চারটে কোশ্চেন
অটো সেট করা হয়েছে, এটা করা হয়নি।
হ্যাঁ, that is not your fault, Ritu, at all, because নতুন পিডিএফ আমি শেয়ার করেছিলাম. Let's give some time for all of you to solve it. Solve 1, 2, 3. Question 1, 2, 3. I'm giving you 3-4 minutes, 2-3 minutes time. All of you can mute your microphone now. Solve the question 1, 2, 3. Today I will wrap up by 9:30. We'll have 1 hour, 1 hour, 15-minute session only because I will have session on Thursday also. Not many of you have solved the question. So we will do like that. Solve the first 3 first. I will soon after the class, I will share the class recording again. Make sure you go through that. Any doubts you have, you can ask me at any point of time. Start with the first 3. So Gaurav, Riya, it is not very difficult when you try to answer in English, right? Riya, you really spoke well. খুব কঠিন না যদি আমরা চেষ্টা করি, তাই তো?
Thank you, sir.
And Gaurav, it's mandatory for you. I mean, I have to make it compulsion. Otherwise, you won't improve in 3-4 months.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Bakira, you can ask.
ये जो आपने बताया ये हाँ हाँ बताओ मैं फिर पूछूंगा सही है
Okay, I think most of you are done. Can we start with the first 3 questions? Yes or no? Many of you did not get time to solve, no problem. But I'm sure most of you have solved it now. So can we start?
Hello, sir.
discussion? প্রথম 3টে সবার হয়ে গেছে? নীলাংশু, রজত।
Hello.
হ্যাঁ রিয়া বলো, শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
না, আপনার কথা শোনা যাচ্ছে না।
Yes. So can we start with the first 3?
ठीक है अच्छा एक
सुमन।
चीज़ खाली पूछनी थी जैसे मैं अभी जो बैंगलोर रह रहा हूँ तो मेरे को वही पार्ट
रिचिका।
टाइम जॉब ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा तो ये पार्ट टाइम जॉब के साथ मैं कर सकता हूँ
স্যার ফার্স্ট এটা কি 2 হবে?
It's a
Okay.
मैं बैंगलोर रह रहा हूँ तो
We
मेरा
think-
short
expenses
of
স্যার মডার্ন ট্যুর এন্ড ট্রাভেলটা বুঝতে পারছি না স্যার, এটা মডার্ন হবে।
देखें if there is typo error that is different, it should देखते हैं।
short होगा।
So these sort of things.
फुल डे देने से दिन के 3-4 घंटे में जॉब
We think education, health, experience,
These होते पारे?
and देखते देवली ना, and those sorts of things are generally the main benefits for modern tour and travel. Yeah, modern tour and travel, that's a typo error. It should be modern, correct? That's a typo error. I will rectify this. We think education, health, experience, and these sorts of things. Those sorts of things is a demonstrative pronoun which is not necessary to use. So Gaurav, you can highlight this. Just highlight this with some color. It should be, yeah, and those sorts of things. Thank you. Should be these sorts of things are generally the main benefits for modern tour and travel. Yes, Richika, go ahead with your
Sir,
doubt.
S होगा shorts. S होगा sir उसमें।
Normally we don't use sorts and kinds, so it's
Sort
better to
of
use
things.
these sort of, SORT.
But हाँ
Better to use these sort of. So there are 2 errors. These sort of things are generally the main benefits of modern tour and travel. Modern hoga nahi, that is for sure. Question 1 is clear, I think. Question number 2. After
Any profit.
toiling,
Any profit.
very good. After
because
toiling, very
hardly
good.
word is there।
Hardly
Toiling
already
means-
negative.
Toiling का क्या मतलब है?
ওয়ার্ক হার্ড
Work hard, struggle, strive, চেষ্টা করা, প্রচেষ্টা করা in Bengali if we talk about, right? After toiling very hard over a long period of time or long period project, my friend found he had hardly made any profit at all. So the error lies with part 4. Please highlight that part, Gaurav. He had hardly made any profit at all. ठीक है? Gaurav, we will discuss first 10 only. So first 10 you will take a screenshot and you can share it with the group. ঠিক আছে? সবাই কোরিলেট করতে পারছো? This is a new set. Since we are doing the recap, Suman, Sagarika, Ritika, Anubrati, Arpan, this is not the original set which we have discussed. This is a new set. Okay. So it's better we solve it out in that manner. Okay, Gaurav. Thank you. Question 3.
My.
Yes. Devolina. Nilangshu.
My
Answer.
stepping।
Please be active. I will take another 15 minutes. Please be
Sir,
active in the class.
In a 24-hour
In in a 24 hour क्या?
No error, 3.
স্যার 24 আওয়ার নো এরার মনে হচ্ছে
24 hour only we use. We don't use hours. 24 it will be hour only. In a 24 hour, a mention कर दिया गया तो a ही होगा. My mother does not like.
Sir, I think there would be one in before the most.
Like my sleeping.
Like me sleeping is okay. My sleeping I can do, but me sleeping is okay. My mother does not like me sleeping.
Most of the times.
No, Rishika. Most of the time ठीक है.
Then no error.
Seems like.
Can we add in most of the time?
এটা যদি না ইউজ করি এখানে, my mother does not like me sleeping most of the time in 24 hours. So এটা না
In a 24 hour means entire 24 hour Nilangshu. We can use. A use করলেও খুব একটা ক্ষতি নেই. We can use in a 24 hour is okay. I mean there is not such problem.
No error লাগছে স্যার.
But we can omit also in 24 hours.
No, not required. If we omit A, then we will use 24 hours. अगर हम A को omit करेंगे तो it will be 24 hours. In a 24 hour, it seems like it's no error. Could have been my sleeping, but me sleeping is also perfectly all right.
But most of the times we generally use most of the time.
Most of the time also we use. Some Richika, you're correct. We use most of the times, but most of the time भी गलत नहीं है. Clear?
होता है most of the time भी रहता है सर.
रहता है, कोई गलती नहीं है. चलो, good. सुमन पढ़ाई के साथ टच में है. Very good, सुमन.
Thank you.
I'm just kidding. Okay. चलो, question number 3, no error. Fourth is the perfect question of
which shook.
Sir, the idea which shook होगा.
that shook.
Which shook? Rishi, the idea which shook the whole world. एक वही तथ्य जिसने पूरी दुनिया को घुमा के फेंक दिया, या पूरी दुनिया को पिघलने पे मजबूर कर दिया, पूरी दुनिया को हिला दिया. The idea which shook the whole world was published in one of his journals. ठीक है. So Gaurav is doing it very nicely. ऋषि समझ में आ रहा है ना?
जी सर.
अच्छा, रिप्लाई क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो?
So in the sentence there are 2 errors.
There is only one error. One. अच्छा, one एक बार देख लेते. ऋषिका जी रुक जाइए. The idea which shook the whole world was published in one of his journals. Yes, there are 2 errors in one of his own journals, unknown journals. It's a kiddish error. Question 5 and 6. Solve it. We will discuss.
published की बोलना सर.
Published in one of his unknown journals. Nilangshu Barojot jigesh korle, probably in one of his unknown journals. Or just scroll down a bit. Question number 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 5 to 10 is visible now. Thank you. Solve 5, 6, 7. I will give you 2 minutes time. Solve 5, 6, 7 and then 8, 9, 10.
ओवर्स टॉप 10 में वेबसाइट में जाऊंगा तो
निकाल दो, मैं चल जाएगा क्लास.
Question, Richika, when you are not speaking in the class, please unmute. I've been advised so many times.
Sorry sir. Sorry.
This happens in every class. Please be careful. Okay, question number 5 onwards.
The person হবে only.
Only herself. It is said by some persons that one of the banks could solve economic problem. Can herself হবে? Is it required?
Person.
सर पीपल হবে.
पर्सन बोल रहा है वो. पर्सन्स नहीं होगा, पर्सन होगा, ये बोल रहा है.
अच्छा.
some people বেশি ভালো লাগবে না. some person কেমন একটা লাগছে শুনতে.
It is said by some persons. Okay, some persons is okay. People is just the synonym. Persons is also okay. Srimur, we can use. করতেই পারি, কোনো problem নেই. That one of the banks
solve the economic problem হবে না.
could solve economic problems, or the economic problem we can do, or else we can do economic problems. We can do either of the case.
স্যার এখানে কুডটাও হবে না।
না, could টা ঠিক আছে। Could is an ability in the past. When we talk about ability in the past, so as
पास्ट की
because
बात हो रही है सर।
it is said, ऐसा बोला जाता है that one of the banks, मतलब ऐसा हुआ था अतीत में अनुप्रित, they बोली ना, it happened in the past and somebody is saying it is said by some persons that one of the banks could solve economic problems or else the economic problem, as Srimoi Nilangshu was trying to say. Shayani, Aritro, Shomudeep is having some issues, so you can write in the chat, Shomudeep. I'm watching the chat continuously. Acha, Indronil, are you there in the class? I forgot to mention in spite of and despite. Don't worry, once I discuss till 10
Yes, sir, I
questions.
am here, sir.
I mean, Hoijak till 10, I will discuss it in the class itself. In spite of and despite.
Okay, sir.
4 নাম্বারেরটা হুইচ হচ্ছে আমি বুঝতে পেরেছি, কিন্তু ওটাতে দ্যাট করা যাবে না।
Nah, we are talking about selection and choice. I did not discuss that and which entirely in details today, but I will discuss in details. वो idea जिसने पूरी दुनिया को हिला के रख दिया. Specifically, we are talking about Shubhimal, choice or selection. ঠিক আছে, যেহেতু আমরা choice and selection এর কথা বলছি, or determination of an object, we are using it. So 1 to 5, any doubts? Correct. Devlina, if you are not saying something, please mute your microphone. Question number 6.
No, I don't.
Our soldiers were better trained than
the enemies have na.
কি হবে অরিত্র?
Of the enemies, fourth option.
Yes, Shomudeep
Yes,
is also
sir,
saying
yes.
same. Correct. Then
Of
that
the
of the
enemies.
enemies.
So
लेकिन
DNA में
those
क्या
करे
होगा?
तो क्या दिक्कत है? Our soldiers were better trained than
স্যার,
those of enemies.
যখন একটা মানুষের দুটো কোয়ালিটি বোঝায় সেক্ষেত্রে কম্পারিজনের ক্ষেত্রে দ্যাট হতে পারে।
তো DNA में কেন হলো, মানে দি কেন বসলো?
I think it will be those.
স্যার নো এরার হবে মনে হচ্ছে।
Achha,
Of the enemy.
okay, we got 5-6 answers. Now if you allow, I can speak. আমি বলে দিচ্ছি, সবাই ক্লিয়ার হয়ে যাবে। দেখো, our soldiers were better trained, মানে আমাদের সৈনিকদের আমরা কম্প্যারিজন করছি। we are talking about our soldiers, हम लोग अपने सैनिक की कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं। were better trained, but the comparison is done with which? Gaurav, please highlight enemies word. We are comparing with what? We are comparing with the concept of the enemies. So as because we are comparing enemies, so the comparison with soldiers and enemies is in plural form. So that is the reason instead of that we should use those. And the is not required. Those of enemies we can use. The enemies korte paro, not required. There is definitely an error. The error lies in part 3, as rightly pointed out by Gaurav and others. So those of.
স্যার এখানে দ্যাট বলতে তো ট্রেনটা বোঝানো হচ্ছে। ট্রেন
না, soldiers এর qualities কথা বলা হচ্ছে রিয়া। Basically we are comparing the qualities of the soldiers and we are comparing with enemies. Trained is not the subject. Normally we use the pronoun in case of with the help of noun, na? So that is what. Okay, next question. I think 6 is clear. Aritro, Ria, Ritu. ठीक है, number 7. Sanjay is one of the latest additions to good drama. Sanjay might be a name of a concept. So
That appeared.
I got a question, but sir, that is okay if we use them. Many enemies, pointing them individually.
হুইচ হবে?
স্যার হুইচ হবে?
तो which होगा सर?
Sir,
which? 4 में which?
Correct. Shomudeep, is my voice lagging, guys? Somebody said lagging of voice because of stream, because
No,
of
sir, clear
storm rather. Acha, 7. Sanjay is one of the latest additions to good drama which appeared in recent times. Absolutely. Which? Instead of who, we will use
that
which.
which का difference
डिफरेंस में नेक्स्ट सेक्शन में बताऊंगा। प्राइमरीली बता देता हूँ रिचिका, क्योंकि आपने पूछा। मैं वैसे इसको विस्तार रूप से वर्णन करूंगा अगले क्लास में, बट संक्षेप में बता देता हूँ। That and which, what is the primary difference? That we use for living things, which we use for non-living things. ठीक है? That is first difference. Second difference is that is primarily used for the same या the such. Which का करते जब भी हम कोई सिलेक्शन की बात करते हैं। तो वैसे मैं जब इस क्वेश्चन 10 तक बता देता हूँ उसके बाद मैं बताऊंगा. डोंट वरी, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन फॉर अ मिनट और सो. आई विल कम बैक टू योर एरर, कम बैक टू योर डाउट एंड इंद्रनील्स डाउट. क्वेश्चन 7 विच होगा ही नहीं क्योंकि नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स है, दैट की कोई गुंजाइश ही नहीं है इसमें. क्वेश्चन 8 शागोरिका, शायोनी, Srimoy. Shweta has such a fine memory that she can recollect anything again which happened many years ago. या फिर whatever भी हम कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा अलग तरीके से इसका प्रयोग करना होगा. If I talk about this thing, question number 8, which is there in part 3, Shweta has such a fine memory that she can relate anything whatever happened many years ago. That is also correct. Please highlight this part, Gaurav.
Sir, what is the difference between what and whatever?
Whatever माने जा होक. What means जा. What is your name? I cannot say whatever is your name. ठीक है. For example, I will give you a practical example. Whatever vaccine we get, we are ready to take. Whether it's Sputnik, whether it's Covishield, whether it's Covaxin, right? But if somebody asks your address, what is the place you live in? That is specific. Whatever is something which is not so specific. Makes sense. बुझते पेरेছো? Okay. Or I can also use which. Yes, Shomri. You said something. Let me. What had happened? Yeah, we can do also what had happened. But since we are using Shomudi anything, so which is not so specific, it's better to use whatever in that case.
और यहाँ पे अगो वर्ड भी मेंशन है तो कुछ टाइम ऐसा मेंशन रहना से yesterday या फिर
हाँ, वो मेंशन रहने से सिंपल पास्ट टेंस हम यूज करते, पास्ट परफेक्ट यूज नहीं करते. ये भी करेक्ट है आपके हिसाब से. क्वेश्चन 9. One of my good qualities is that I don't take things like this very seriously. One of my good qualities is that I don't take things like this very seriously. No error. Absolutely no error.
These very silly. THS होगा.
Things ठीक है, no problem. Things like this very serious.
This THS.
अच्छा, like these things अच्छे we can, yeah, things are mentioned which is in plural form. Okay.
So
these.
one as na?
No, that is my good quality. That is only my good quality. But we are talking about things.
Okay. Yeah.
That is okay.
Subject is
These refers to.
Sir, लेकिन things का इस बीच में क्या लेना देना है?
Things মানে অনেকগুলো জিনিস, তার মধ্যে থেকে এই দিসটা যদি একটা মানে এক্সাম্পলারি হতে বোঝায় তাহলে তো দিস DHIS সেভাবেও ঠিক আছে, মানে মিনিংটা যদি সেরকম করি.
নো, এখানে তো স্যার থিংসটাকে বোঝাচ্ছে না, দিসটা দিস বলতে থিংসটাকে বোঝাচ্ছে, কোয়ালিটিটা বোঝাচ্ছে না.
Is qualifying that like things, not the one
Like,
of my qualities.
Guys, just give me 10 seconds. Just give me 10 seconds. Yes. Am I audible? Yeah. The thing in which you got confused, Ritu and Gaurav, is not about qualities, right? It's about things. And things we are referring to plural demonstrative pronoun. That is why instead of THIS, I will still end up using THEAC. বোঝা যাচ্ছে? सुमन, तन्विता.
हमको ना ये डाउट लग रहा है कि सेंटेंस कैसे मतलब ये फॉर्म हो रहा है. टेक थिंग्स लाइक दिस वेरी सीरियसली, मतलब क्या हुआ?
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स से हमारे लाइफ में काफी ऐसी चीजें आती है जिस चीज में हमें ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देने की जरूरत नहीं. जैसे नाउ इन मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेसेस इन कोलकाता प्रोबेबली अ स्टॉर्म हैज कम. नाउ ऑब्वियसली व्हाइल डूइंग द क्लास आई एम टेकिंग द क्लास, यू आर अंडरगोइंग द क्लास, हम लोग बाहर जाके ये नहीं देखेंगे कि बारिश कितनी जोर से हो रही है या बारिश की बूंदे की से कितना अच्छा लगेगा. Let's say there is some political violence in some part of the state. Now we as student or we as academician won't go there, we will do what we need to do, right? So काफी सारी चीजें दुनिया में होती है जिस चीज को हम ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं देते. So you can say one of my good qualities like that. In that case you are saying, Suman, उस तरीके से हम बोल रहे कि सारे गुड क्वालिटीज में से कोई एक गुड क्वालिटी ये है कि इन सब चीजों पे हम उतना इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं देते हैं. We don't pay much emphasis on it. Understood, Suman?
तो वेरी के जगह टू यूज कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे?
नहीं यूज करेंगे. आपने एक डाउट भेजा था डिस्कशन ग्रुप में, मैंने देखा भी. TWO2 का यूज हम तभी करेंगे, आई एम राइटिंग इन द चैट विंडो ऑल्सो सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, जब TWO2 के साथ TO2 का यूज करेंगे. मीन्स इफ आई एम यूजिंग TWO2 एंड TO2 साइमल्टेनियसली, यहाँ पे वेरी यूज करेंगे या सो यूज करेंगे. टू सीरियसली नहीं करेंगे, ज्यादा बेहतर होगा नहीं यूज करना. ठीक है. One of his greatest
So I think,
contributions
sir,
to social reform.
Sir, can I add?
Add on, Gaurav.
Sir, I was thinking that it may be a particular situation that he is talking about. That one of my good qualities is that I don't take things like this very seriously. So it can be one particular situation, and he can refer as example for this in the things as an examples. So it can be a particular situation. In that case, it will be
saying that whatever Gaurav said.
We are taking it as a normal example.
We have, but
We have
in
actually
that case
taken it
means
as a
we
normal
can.
example.
Okay. But in many cases, we can see that in some places of some disturbances or some problems, we normally try to avoid those things. But we for those things, we can also refer that we have avoid such kind of situations previously also. So in that case, we can use these things, and but for that particular case, we can use THIS in singular form.
No. These things, I mean, we can take it as a collective noun. हम लोग इसको collective noun के हिसाब से ले सकते हैं. But here in this case, it is we are referring to different things. So it's better to use THESE only. So while speaking and communicating, काफी चीजें हम लोग समझ लेते, काफी चीज हम लोग को रिलेट करते. बट हम लोग जब नॉर्मली एग्जाम्पल के तौर से देखते हैं तो THESE होगा, THIS नहीं होगा. चांसेस कम है यार. Last question of the day. One of his greatest contributions to social reform
was his movement.
Was his movement for
or
his
eradication of
movement,
child
yeah.
marriages. আর কি কিছু ভুল আছে? Is there any error in part 1 and part 2? One of his greatest contributions to social reform
So
was
marriages can be in singular form.
Acha,
Child marriage.
marriages. Eradication of child marriage. Yes, better to mention child marriage. Yes, correct. Cheta better kora hobe mention. One of his greatest contributions is okay. Rest all is okay. Part 1 has an error, contributions, and part 4 has an error. So Gaurav will repeat.
Sir,
There is an error in part
Sir,
1.
part 1 में क्या है? Part 1
One
तो
of-
contribution से दिए हुए.
Acha, sorry. Part 3 and
Part 3 में है.
Part 3 was
his and eradication of child marriage. Was his and child marriages. That is the part. Okay, I think now my screen is visible. Indranil, if you're still there in the class, difference between in spite and despite. In spite of and despite.
Yes, sir.
Can anyone first tell me? I know it will take 2-3 minutes. Just since he has
Sir,
asked, I must.
may I try?
Go ahead.
In spite of all the facilities, she didn't able to crack the examination.
वो तो आपका रटा हुआ उदाहरण है जो मैंने पहले समझाया था ऋतिका जी. आप इसको वर्णन कीजिए रूल्स के अनुसार.
पॉजिटिव सब रहने के बावजूद भी उसका रिजल्ट नेगेटिव हो.
इस तरीके से समझाइए कि हम लोग को नहीं पता. Indranil, have you understood with what she has mentioned?
Sorry, sir. No, sir.
ऋतिका फिर से कोशिश करो. देखो इसी चीज से चीजें क्लियर होती. जब समझा पाओगे मतलब समझिए. बताइए. Try it out once again.
In spite of we use जब हम लोग के पास सब कुछ रहता है उसके बाद भी जब कुछ रिजल्ट नेगेटिव होता है, मतलब पॉजिटिविटी में रिजल्ट नहीं रहता है.
Correct. Basically, guys, when there are two things, in spite of and despite, दोनों contradictory conjunction, हाँ कि ना, एक दूसरे को काटते हैं.
Sir, both of them express some contrast, ना?
Absolutely, both of them
or
express
contradictory
some
statement.
contrast.
একই
And
তো
both
হয়
of
দুটো
them,
মানে kind of.
correct, very good, Riya. And both of them are contradictory in nature, right, Anubrati, Devulina?
Yes, sir.
But when one positive quality turns out to be negative in nature, like she was trying to mention, we use it in spite of. For example, I will give a very practical example. She was giving one example, I will give that example. In spite of having all the facilities, he could not become successful in life. ठीक है? ताहले इंद्रनील সব facilities থাকা সত্ত্বেও, ঠিক है? So there I am using in spite of. Most books on grammar, they will say that there are not much differences between in spite of and despite. Same, दोनों same है, but थोड़ा सा difference है, ज़्यादा नहीं. In spite of being rich, he did not donate money during this pandemic. In spite of being very rich, he did not donate money. ठीक है? In this pandemic. Best is if you write these examples in Learning, then only you will understand. Most of the times we take a screenshot.
Particularly means whenever a positive course of action leads to a negative kind of result. And
On most
despite
occasions.
vice versa.
Not every time, not positive
Not
or
every
negative.
time, but most of the times.
It's like two contradictory sentences are portrayed and one sentence is not affected by another. I mean, two events are true. Both of them are true events. Like in spite of being rich, I mean, he is rich, but still he did not donate any money in the pandemic.
Yes. How many of you have solved syllogism in reasoning? Most of you have solved, right? Disha, Sagarika, Anubrati, Ritu. बचपन में या कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रिपरेशन में सिलॉक्स सॉल्व किया, तो ये सिलॉक्स का सबसे परफेक्ट एग्जांपल है. स्टेटमेंट 1, ही इज रीच, इंद्रनील. স্টেটমেন্ট 2, হি ডিড নট ডোনেট মানি. এবার এটা হচ্ছে আইদার অর এর কেস. যদি তোমরা কোনো সময় পরীক্ষা দিয়ে থাকো, ইউ উইল বি নোইং ইট. जो लोग मेंस दिए हैं उन लोगों को पता होना चाहिए, राइट? सागरिका, सुमन, he is rich, statement 1. Statement 2, he did not donate money, right? So can we say this is an either or case of syllogism? Yes or no? Rajat? Yes. So yeah, in spite of it, despite, when one negative quality, not only negative quality, I can also say adverse quality. Adversity turns out to be positive in nature. We use despite.
Sir, can you please scroll down a bit? It's not visible.
Now it's visible?
Yeah.
Okay. So when one negative quality turns out to be positive in nature, we use despite. Primarily, we use that. Okay. So in spite of, I am highlighted in the shades of green. Despite, I'm highlighting in the shades of yellow. So if I say an example like this, despite, I give the example of Dr. Kalam, belonging to a very poor family, he went on to become the president of. Can any one of you think about an example? सबसे आसान है रूल समझने का. रूल्स को देखो, समझो, रटो मत, लिखो. समझने के बाद इसका एक एग्जाम्पल फ्रेम करो. If you're able to frame the example, you have to understand.
Sir?
Yes.
सर जैसे डिस्पाइट ऑफ या डिस्पाइट, ये मतलब दोनों में कोई डिफरेंस है?
ज्यादा कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं, यही
डिफरेंस के बाद ऑफ नहीं होता है.
सुमन, जैसा मैं कह रहा हूँ वही डिफरेंस है. पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव, इन स्पाइट ऑफ.
वो बात नहीं है, जैसे कि बहुत सारा सेंटेंस जैसे डिस्पाइट बिंग ऐसे करके रहता है, बट उसमें ऐसा कोई सिचुएशन की बात नहीं रहता है कि नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, मतलब ऐसे जनरल.
वो तो हमें समझ लेना पड़ता है ना. डिस्पाइट
बीइंग, मतलब वही बोले, मतलब ऐसे क्या वर्ड में जैसे मीनिंग में कोई डिफरेंस होता है या इन स्पाइट ऑफ, इन स्पाइट में?
हाँ, दोनों का मतलब होता है फिर भी, यद्यपि अगर शुद्ध हिंदी में बोलो, बंगाली तो बोल रहे जुदियो. So in both the cases, Indranil,
Sir, in some cases we have seen that we only use despite, and in other cases we use despite being. So is there any difference?
Depends on the construction. Despite being from a poor family, he went on to become president of India. Depend on the construction. ठीक है, मुझे इसका जल्दी से सेंटेंस फ्रेम करके बताओ, कोई भी एक एग्जांपल डिस्पाइट से, अगर समझ पाए हो.
Basically, disguise can be the example.
Indranil, give a concrete example. একটা পরিষ্কার example বলো.
Despite having age differences, both Ram and Shyam are good friends.
Despite having age differences, both Ram and Shyam are good friends. এখানে পুরোপুরি নেগেটিভ এক্সাম্পল না, তাও হতে পারে রিয়া. Soumyadip has given example. Despite being a criminal, he escaped the trial. I will give a very, very good example. See, this
Sir,
is also right example.
May I give the example?
Go ahead.
Despite the fact he is poor, he is honest.
Okay, चलो चलो ये भी एग्जाम्पल आता है एग्जाम में, थोड़ा सा ऑफ्ट रिपीटेड. और कोई एग्जाम्पल?
Sir, I can add. So despite having all the negative effects into the economy for the pandemic lockdown, the number of cases are decreasing continuously.
Okay, fair enough. Giving one such example, despite not having enough medical facilities, doctors are saving millions of lives. I mean, बोला जाता था डॉक्टर भगवान है, हम लोगों ने देखा नहीं था बचपन से, अभी हम लोग देख पा रहे हैं. And I cannot really understand how much they are sacrificing for the sake of society. I mean, seriously, we don't, जितना भी हम लोग उनको, I mean, जितना भी उनके लिए हम अच्छा सोचे, it's very less. I mean, just wearing 3-4 layers of mask and wearing so much protective equipments, PPE, and serving relentlessly. लोग घर में बैठ के गर्मी में हालत खराब हो जाती. Yes or no, guys? So despite not having enough medical facilities, doctors are saving millions of lives. India being a poor country, we don't have enough facilities for 140 crore, but still people are striving for the betterment. So I think I've explained you in the best possible manner. Tried to Indranil. Asha kori tomar doubt clear hoye geche. So the PDF which we have shared.
And however, and moreover, sir, what is the basic
ওটা আমি
difference?
ডিসকাস করব যখন কনজাংশন করব. Moreover is for additional information. However is a connector. When I will take that class of conjunction and connector. I will discuss that. Don't worry. বা আমি স্যাটারডে যখন এসটি ডিসকাশন করব তখন আমি বলে দেবো, ঠিক আছে? So guys, Thursday evening we will rejoin. I will share the timings around the same time. Please try to complete the remaining 40 question and I will continue with the set of pronouns. ठीक है?